orúkọ mi ní Ọláìtàn Ìlúyọ̀mádé, àwọn èèyàn máa ń pè mí ní X1 àpótí orin. Àwọn tó mọ̀ mí náà nípa DJ náà máa ń pè mí ní unbeatable DJ X1. Mo jẹ́ ọmọ bíbí ìlú Ondo State, Ondo Town. Ondo náà bí mi sí, from Ondo ni mo ti wá sí Èkó tí mo dàgbà sí Èkó. Mo dé Èkó ní 1993. Mo ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ ayé mi gangan tí mo fi dàgbà sí Èkó. Hustle gbogbo though kò easy, kò rọrùn láti lẹ̀. Kò rọrùn láti lẹ̀ bọ̀ wá ṣe gbogbo tiraka eléyìí ládùúgbò ìyẹn ní àdúgbò mi ní Alágbolé Àkútè Àjùwọ̀n láti bẹ̀rẹ̀. Kò easy but a dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run ọba tó ṣàṣe tó ṣàyẹ kí n ṣàgbé mi dé ìlú Amẹ́ríkà. Mo travel but before ìgbà yẹn ni mo ti ń ṣiṣẹ́ orin, lọ church, praise night, kí n play fún wọn, máa ń play piano, play guitar, máa kọrin, ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀. Àṣà wá ọ̀nà àtijọ́ àti mú ṣá, ẹ̀ máa ń kọrin, mi náà máa ń kọ hip hop náà. Àti Alágbolé mo ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ iṣẹ́ orin mi. Wọ́n dẹ̀ ṣe kò rọrùn gbà yẹn dé but wọ́n dẹ̀ ṣe. Mo dẹ̀ win visa lottery mi àti ìyàwó àtọmọ mi a dẹ̀ jápa lọ sí Amẹ́ríkà. So láti mo lè dé Amẹ́ríkà náà kò easy náà, kò rọrùn náà bẹ́ẹ̀. Àtàkọ́ débẹ̀ kò easy bẹ́ẹ̀. Ṣáà ṣe àwọn tá pàdé ńbẹ̀. Àwọn kan bá wò pé tí ẹ bá dé Amẹ́ríkà pé ọbẹ̀ ti dé nìyẹn, kò ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀. Ìyẹn máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti ibìkan náà ni. So we started from somewhere and ṣáà bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti ibìkan. Máa ń play fún church. Mo continue ministry mi níbẹ̀ náà, play fún church, play fún ilé church mi, máa play fún wọn wá. Ọ̀bọ̀ you need help. Nídìílé ìjọ àwọn kan àtẹ̀kọ́ wọn downgrade, wọ́n change ìyẹn tẹ́kọ́ jẹ́ kó help. Wọ́n kàn wò pé eléyìí ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ dé ni. Bàbá gan mọ̀ pé ìkàtà gbé wọlé kọsẹ̀ fún ọkàn tó gba yìí ní lọ́sọ̀ ìlà gbé wọlé bàbá ò mọ benefit a ní, you understand, but wọ́n ṣáà downgrade but church ta lọ one or two people wọ́n rí mi pé ní talent ilé gba ilé understand, but it wasn't like pé ọ̀hún náà easy náà church fún ẹ̀gán ní help fún wa. So and from there ṣáà try àtọwọ́ jọ ìyàwó mi náà lọ UK, gbé UK for a while, tún padà wá do ó tẹ̀ wá òkè ní tiẹ̀. Ó wà òkè but tèmi kò bẹ́ẹ̀ wọ́n fẹ́ mi ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ẹ̀ lára tèmi náà. So wà tó ṣáà along the line ó padà wá sí wá bá mi l'Amẹ́ríkà àjọ bẹ̀rẹ̀ gbogbo ẹ̀. Orin mo ń kọ basically láti ilẹ̀. Wà tí mo dé Amẹ́ríkà ní Nàìjíríà ni mo máa ń ṣe DJ díẹ̀ but mi ò take care. Ọmọ Amẹ́ríkà kan pé ọmọ challenges orin ní Amẹ́ríkà kò dàbí ti Èkó. Tàbá show lọ perform kiri ilé afọlówó káṣá àbá show gbà kò dàbí Amẹ́ríkà. People are too busy for us. Àti pé accent tiwa before you can be known as a musician níbẹ̀ o gbọ́dọ̀ lè blend mọ́ owó tó ń kọ. But now ni Afrobeat ṣe pick sing, you understand? Bá ti mo débẹ̀ mo dé Amẹ́ríkà that was like maybe 10 years ago. Ọmọ náà bọ̀ kò dàbí sing. So ọmọ mi máa ṣiṣẹ́ orin lọ bẹ́ẹ̀ náà máa gba orin so máa ń play for church, máa ń kọ church náà bọ̀. Ọgbà jẹ́ ti ẹ̀ mú dígì tí mo láìdí àyè jẹ́ ti ẹ̀ ẹ̀yọ̀ kọ́kọ́ ti ẹ̀ pè mí lọ́kọ̀ pé àwọn fẹ́ ṣe nǹkan o. Ẹlòmíì tó bá ṣe pé òun play ní church máa believe pé o ní idea DJ náà wọ́n yẹ pè mí nìyẹn pé kí àwọn náà ní pàtí kan fọmọ tí mo lè wá play fún wọn. Mo ní ṣe kí wọ́n á play piano gbà mí ní wọ́n ní music tó máa mi ìfẹ́ tó pé mi ò mọ̀ ṣe torí mo ti ní desktop gbà ẹ̀ bá mi ṣeré lé bá mi ṣe mo wá ní mo ní ẹgbẹ́ mo ṣe dé ní o iṣẹ́ mi ni o mo kàn pa pé DJ mo ṣe o but mo ní everything kàn pé mo ní speaker pé because mi lè kó sókè wá láti ìjẹ́ pé tó wá lè get the speaker pé wọ́n láwọn náà ní speaker fún mi pé wọ́n ní àwọn kenwood kan nínú ilé mo á lọ kò sí wàhálà wọ́n ṣáà kó lọ sí park set ẹ̀ up ṣáà délé ọmọ ìjẹ́ plug. That was my first time tí màá DJ láyé mi ní Amẹ́ríkà. Alẹ̀ tó mo ti ń ṣe láti kó anyway tí mo dẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ báyìí gba àwọn tó jáde tó popular wọn kù kéré àwọn bíi ìṣẹ̀ lórí nǹkan pọ̀ wọn mo ṣáà fún wọn mo ṣáà ń da ọgbẹ̀ fún wọn láwọn orin tẹ̀ríjì àwọn oṣù báyìí ṣáà ń kó jẹ kí n tó mọ̀ fún díẹ̀ ni o. with the extra life from there ó sì pè mí here and there. X1 X1 ṣe jáde délé nígbà tí mo wà lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ mẹ́rin ni wá we are called X4 máa pà ní X4 X4 so along the line ìkan ní wa kú nínú struggle tá a máa ń lọ kọrin kiri lọ church lọ kọrin lọ jó ṣe gbogbo a máa ń jó a máa ń kọrin gbogbo ẹgbẹ́ yẹn talking about bí a like 16-17 years ago ó ti pẹ́ no be today jọ ìdán tè gan ó ti pẹ́ gan láyé àwọn ọ̀bá no record díjó record kẹ́dí tuntun gan ó ti pẹ́ gan ẹgẹ́ so but God time is the best ẹgẹ́ àmọ́ pé tó bá yá ọlọ́run àgbàdo àti wàmí ẹ̀ lọ́sàn so a máa ń ṣe àwọn kọrin ní street bẹ́ẹ̀ you understand then along the hustle nìkan ni wa tó ṣaláìsí wákà mẹ́ta tó kù ìkan ni wa àwọn méjì give up wọ́n give up bí tàn pé nǹkan ni wa kú sínú struggle láyé iṣẹ́ náà ayé owó náà àfi jẹun sára wa àti fi invest padà ṣe invest náà náà ṣe àwọn kan gbá wa pẹ̀lú èso owó yẹn tún gbá wa lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ yìí náà so they gave up because ẹbí náà lọ school gbà yẹn mo lọ gba àwọn gẹ́tà àdúgbò sí University of Ado-Ekiti mo lọ school but mi ò I never give up at once understand for once I never give up for once nínú àmì mẹ́rin yẹn èmi 2 step ìkan dìjàbù ìkan edokun yẹn excel ìkan will 2 so just name myself X4 but tí yẹn ti kú socialize and I was like X1 ló kù people started calling me X1 themselves like mi tẹ̀ fún àmì ní X1 wọ́n lọ́kọ́ kan lókùn ti fi ẹlẹ̀ ẹ̀yà wà pé ní X1 gbà wọ́n ní ó sì lọ so but that X stand for extremely extraordinary you understand so yeah one that's it. funny enough mi ò kọ́ DJ mi ò kọ́ anybody o ìbá ìpé wájú kó báyìí kì í máa kọ́ DJ wọn ò kọ́ anybody ò kọ́ mi DJ nígbà tí mo wà ní street ní alágbólé wọn ní pàdé mi kan DJ AY Dots shout out to AY Dots I mean then he was one of the best like ó gùn gan tó owó tó bá ń gba àwọn exchange náà ni but àjọ bá ń lọ kiri he was my official DJ gbà yẹn pé máa ń kọrin mi náà popular ó pọ̀ pé bóyá ilé ládùúgbò carnival tó máa ń ṣe búba yẹn máa ń ṣe carnival ládùúgbò òun ló máa ń play carnival gbà àdúgbò gbogbo òjòjú dé bẹ́gà yẹn ṣèbí náà gbà yẹn èmi máa lọ kọ́ lóbo carnival sọ wá sọ pé ìwọ jẹ́ official DJ so àṣà àpákẹ́yà wa so most time very good guy tó bá níṣẹ́ máa ń play ní club kan gbà ní Ancient Palace inside the arífàlà yẹn ló wà tó bá ti lọ bẹ̀ ní máa bọ̀ wá ọ̀zù máa lọ bẹ̀ wá play díẹ̀ ayé kan wá kọrin àwọn àná mi lówó wọ́n tó bá pa àjọ pín tó bá pa owó náà tó bá gbowó náà gbà mí náà àfún mi very good guy very very good guy very very nice guy so bó ṣe máa ń díje yẹn èmi kàn máa ń tẹ̀lé ní understand so máa tẹ̀lé wá bí kò sẹ́gun mi ò kọrin máa kọ́ ṣáà tẹ̀lé ṣá so bí máa ń ṣe ó máa ń dùn mọ́ bóyá máa ń ṣe so mo máa ń fojú sí bóyá ṣe bọ̀ kò mọ̀ pé mò ń kọ̀kọ́ pé mò ń do èmi náà mi fojú sí pé kí n kọ́ mo kàn like ẹ̀ mo ní passion for anything music mo ní so mo ti bóyá ṣe ayé ìgbà náà máa ń lo assistant ẹ̀ka so máa ń wù ú pàtó yá mo ṣe tó yá mo ìbẹ̀rẹ̀ tẹ̀lé nìyẹn but officially tí mo fi ṣe ní yíyáda àti mo dá Amẹ́ríkà ni ọmọ ní eléta wà lójú ogun yìí o máa kọ́ by force so kò sẹ́yìn but people were busy nobody tó dé fẹ́ kọ́yàn l'Amẹ́ríkà ẹlòmíì kan bínú kò tiẹ̀ wá bẹ̀ sí gbígbá díje ṣé iṣẹ́ tó ṣe kọsẹ̀ gan but mo fẹ́ pé ọmọ street ọmọ ìyá ti jẹ́ nípa bí ìbá sí àjọba lẹ́ẹ̀ni and I went on YouTube and learn more and now I'm lọ́mọṣẹ́ mẹ́ta tó wà under me and I'm not just a DJ. I even do more of other stuff. I do cloud, sparkler, I do lightning for events. I do big events. I travel. I go to Nigeria, wedding, UK, LA. So, we do a lot anyway. Ó ṣùwà fún mi ajé because kí n tó travel kọ̀sẹ̀ fún mi pé ìgbà ẹni mo kọ́ ṣórí nǹkan tí mo feature tí mo á remix later tí mo feature ṣàfẹ́ mi. Mo ti mọ̀ ó dá mi lójú mo ti mọ̀ ọjọ́ ọ̀la mi á dára. I never get anything nígbà tí mo kọ́ yẹn the one label sign me then but due to one or two things tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ṣe àti tablet contract ẹ̀ bọ̀ ọlọ́run ẹ̀ kó mú mi lọ síbi gíga ni ṣe jẹ́ kí n ṣẹlẹ̀ so mo ti ń sọ tẹ́lẹ̀ pé so mo kí ibi tí mo wà yìí lágbára Ọlọ́run I'm still going bigger place lágbára Ọlọ́run. Ṣe rí honestly speaking èmi náà gbà mí at a point wọ́n pé yo music I'm getting older and I have kids already and ṣé mi ní switch off game mi àdúrà o but I don't know but there's that belief that's why it's very good to believe yours ó dá kí yan nígbàgbọ́ nínú ara ẹ̀ you understand though sometimes challenges ó lè fẹ́ occur but tó bá ti nígbàgbọ́ nínú ara ẹ̀ pé I can do it I will do it bó wù kó pẹ́ kó wù kó rà you understand what to do will surely be you understand so don't give up. Mo ti bá couple of perform dáadáa at least I'm also a producer mo máa ń produce mo máa ń ṣe beat náà mo ti produce Shantizu yeah couple of them mo ti bá kíní iṣẹ́ Òṣàfẹ́mi though I still don't want to do more of collabo with bigger artists because but èmi fi pé ó dáa kíyàn ti dé ibi kan kíyàn tó máa gbé súnmọ́ wọn you understand I get so and yeah but in my opportunity I'm open you understand but yeah but I perform big stage like different stages you understand lọ to gbé mi lọ sí carnival ní UK to lọ ibi àtàwọn Jason this American guy yeah to perform pẹ̀lú Wale the American guy ní DC yeah perform pẹ̀lú Yanya Olamide Adekunle Gold Ricardo Banks a lot of them because most of them tó wá concept gbọ́n máa ń play Àṣàkẹ́ concept gbọ́n tó wá sí Baltimore tó wá sí àdúgbò àwọn percent tó wá ṣe show fún kí ló gbọ́ wá Fit Entertainment èmi mo DJ fún understand so I have the opportunity to perform with him but I just only do the DJ stuff alone yeah so yeah I met a couple of them but like I said ọmọ adakẹ́ ti ṣiṣẹ́ débi kan ìyẹn tó yeah. So ìyàtọ̀ tó wà bẹ́ẹ̀ ni pé ní Nàìjíríà wọ́n wà Nàìjíríà you are open to so many things so many shows interviews understand like we are doing I understand so many connects understand but ṣe America people are so busy only if you are A-list artist ọmọ ara ticket ọmọ turn up o again but tó bá jẹ́ upcoming ní America kò ìfẹ́ ọmọ ìfẹ́ good tó kò dàbí ẹ mọ̀ it's been designed pé they're waiting for big artists coming you understand most time when I push over the video I'm tired of doing all those things or whiskey I'm tired of doing all those things you understand again it's not like it doesn't help but to me tó yẹ pé èkó ní ọdún ṣe nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ Nàìjíríà wà ní I don't know ẹ̀ka tí wàá ti rí management tó bá kókè let's work let's do business people are rich people ọ̀yàn lówó bẹ́ẹ̀ they invest in other stuff than again few ni wọn ló believe pé wọ́n invest in music àwọn tó wà tó invest in music wọn just few of them again people can spend money vibe to us and our Afrobeat is big now it's very big again but the benefit tó wà pé kí n wà America ni pé I mean like I have a couple of artists here like pé I know what they're going through they are very talented but no sponsor no money so láti ṣe understand tó bá wà Yankee náà tó bá lówó yẹn náà ṣe music yẹn kò sí jíjà yẹn ní Yankee ju Naija lọ you get if you get like 50 million for Nigeria you go you understand you know people say you go blow people say you go connect with but share the video say the video where I dey secret place hang out na height na edge for you understand again but Yankee olówó yẹn níbi tó bá máa gọ̀ọ́sẹ̀ kan máa ṣe àwọn àti ìrẹ́lẹ́ kan jẹ́ bí Jésù because everyone power understand again so those are the differences but no one America I mean you be fine you make money. Mo ti ṣe orin tó pọ̀ gan-an collabo tó pọ̀ gan-an featuring tó ti feature mi pọ̀ gan-an but ohun tó wọ́n fi mọ̀ mí ọjọ́ ọ̀la pẹ̀lú Òṣàfẹ́mi pẹ̀lú one of my song ọmọga ló yẹ popular gan lamẹ́ríkà gan àti níwọ̀n tó mo ṣe drop nígboro ó ń wave gan nígboro yẹn ó ń dá everywhere even Naija gan ó ń dá everywhere wú gan So Igbo is a very good song, and I'm happy with the movement so far. Um, and I can see the future is bright. But the way you're doing actually, like about a lot. Yes, yeah. Cotton Ball no pọ̀ gan. And I just did a song with ọ̀rẹ́ mi kan. His name is Power Nelson. Watch out for him. Hope feature me. It's a very good song. I'm gonna do a video very soon, and you're gonna love it. And as well, I have money EP tí mo ṣe lọ́wọ́ tí màá drop very soon. And yeah, by God's grace, they should take over the world. About a lot. Number one, Mahmoud Davido. I'm a big fan of Davido. Of David, I'm a big fan of him. Yeah. Number one, the reason why I love David is because he has a good heart. Only your contact way, all look out for everybody. You understand? I've never met him in person, I get. But with what I've seen, what he's been doing for the culture, you know, even for our country, Nigeria, I think he's a very good artist. He's talented. He has set good records. You understand again, and he has done a lot for other people. Ó jẹ́ ọ̀dẹ́ kó look out fún àwọn èèyàn, and that's the number one thing, because someone like me tó wù mí kí n náà ṣe fún yàn. Yeah, sure, but if me hating nítorí, I always want to look out for my people. You understand? Again, I don't even care. Go blow, I don't go mean anything. You get? I understand? Because reason you work for that color. You get? So, and this another artist again, to like, well, Olamide. Like Olamide God. Olamide na OG. Funny enough, he play for baby shower ìyàwó ẹ̀ ní Baltimore tó ṣe ìyàwó ẹ̀ gan second ní ọmọ tó ṣe bí percent their last 2 years kan nìyẹn. Èmi play fún ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ ìyàwó ẹ̀ ni. So she woke up to me like, you are so good. Yeah. But èmi ò ẹ̀rọ wà lápẹ́ àkín ní bóyá ẹ̀ kó collect me body. No, but I don't have to do that. I get. Na pé lágbára Ọlọ́run. Ọlọ́run ṣe everything wow on a normal ground. Everything wow. You understand? Because èmi náà I believe in myself. Talent wow. Kò sí pé o talent forget. Yeah. But like I said, God time is the best. Understand? And another artist I love again. I love all artists anyway. Mi ní parọ́ fún. But tí mo tún like again, I love to work with her. She's the lady. And you see me. Yeah, I like Simi. Yeah. I feel like Simi she's unique, and I love her. I love the way she puts herself. But I'm open for all collab. I love Wiz. I love Bonner. I love everybody. Yeah. Come on, whisper. Come on. I love them. I love everybody. But like I said, èmi fẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ẹni tó mọ̀ pé tí màá bá iṣẹ́ tó máa show me love. Ọ̀yẹ́ pé tí wọ́n máa lé pé irọ́. So Davido is one of them. I'm saying it. Yeah. Once he like your song, I'm sure that I believe once he like your song, he likes you. I mean, he's like the guy like people a lot. Like me, see in person. You can understand. But putting up, I don't like to meet a person. Dr. Fabs, rest in peace. I'm Dr. Fabs now. Although yeah, but you watch that Dr. Fabs. Fabs, extra about your favorite is there. Open a video, where she goes. Oh, you was there. Like Faboni, the lower. Understand? So I don't have that way. This guy is so. This guy is so humble. You know. So that's what I'm talking about. I don't want to do things with someone who say when they tell me they go through this and that, give me a headache before I even see. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. I know the videos will be kind of hard to see, you understand, but you finally meet him. Yeah. No response. Come out lágbára Ọlọ́run fẹ́ rush because mo ṣe ń promote lọ́wọ́ by November, by God's grace. Yeah. By November, á jáde. Kò easy o. In short, tá bá ṣe pé our family, ìyàwó mi, I have to let her know. I mean, she's supportive. My wife is very supportive, and she supports what I'm doing as well. But it's not easy to leave kí phone pẹ̀lẹ́ pẹ̀lú àwọn ọmọ ń gbà mí kò easy, understand, but she's a very strong woman and I love her for that, and shout out to my wife, and I know it's not easy, but I still have to do what I have to do. Wálé ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀, understand, because èmi mọ̀ ọ́ sì mo fi ń wálé àwọn tó bá visa náà gbogbo àná ẹ̀kẹ́ tí kò easy kò rọrùn wà lórí flight for 13 hours, yeah, it's not easy at all. Yeah, wọ́n lè add mi lórí fún for DJ, lábẹ́ DJ ni I travel all over the world, yeah, and I do all kind of events, yeah, but ibi tí mi lè lọ for náà nìkan ni Russia àti Ukraine, but other country I'm open, yeah, so wọ́n lè add DM lórí unbeatable DJ X1, unbeatable DJ X1 like XONE, and for musical lábẹ́ bí D o ẹni tí fẹ́ wọlé X1 music, that's XONE MUZIK. Anyway, ṣẹ́rí nǹkan tí ẹ bá sọ sí náà èèyàn kàn sọ ni tí ẹ bá débẹ̀ èèyàn mọ̀ òwe tí ẹ bá pàdé tó máa kó sí yẹn pé ṣeléṣelé, but to me what I think I'm gonna do, the first thing is that I will first put it down for to all the consequences and ground. I will try to put it down for like gbogbo ọ̀bọ̀ rébé nǹkan tó ti wà nílẹ̀ mi ní ẹ̀mọ̀ crisis gbogbo ẹ̀ subsidy. I try to bring it down first. I try all my best on that. It might take me time. And the next thing is, for me, I will study the past. Because you have to study the past. Kéèyàn wo nǹkan tó ti ṣẹlẹ̀, tó ti wọ́ sí, kó tó lè proceed. But tó bá kàn débẹ̀ kàn proceed, ó ní mọ ibi tí kí n ti wọ́ sí. Bí kankan tó ń ṣe yẹn, ó kàn understand. And the third thing now, I mean, I'll try as much as possible to make a difference. So far, last ìgbà tí n gbọ́ pé Nigeria ò dáa, get though only a back, like I said, that's why I have to study the past. But to make a difference now, ó máa affect àwọn ọkọ̀ náà, but I have to study the past. Make sure pé at least kò ní affect àwọn èèyàn. That's a balance equation, you understand? Get àwọn nǹkan tí mi ní ṣe, ẹ lè máa wo mi o, but mi ò ní kówó jẹ. Yeah, because I know I'm blessed, and I'll be blessed even beyond for them. Because olóṣì yẹn ló máa lọ sórí ìlú Nàìjíríà yìí, ìjẹ́ ó ti ṣe bákan, ìlú gidi ni, you understand? But àwọn èèyàn jìyà rẹ̀ tó wá fẹ́ lọ kówó jẹ. Before you can even be elected, definitely you are rich, you are okay. Yeah, mi ní kówó jẹ, and I'll make sure there will be nothing like tribalism. Because we are all one. Yeah. We are all one. Nothing like Yoruba, Igbo, but the same blood. Once in us, understand? I get. Yeah. If you're any DJ out there, shout out to you guys, man. Keep doing what you're doing. Only the DJ, I don't say the guy for the guy máa sanwó bẹ́ẹ̀, you understand? But tó bá ń ṣe tó dẹ̀ tó package ara dáadáa, ṣe bí spin náà nìyẹn. Spin náà cash out náà bill in dollars ní akéde, you understand? And now social media is open for everybody. Do your stuff, package yourself well, put it online, do mistake, do the stuff. You get money from streaming. Olóòní ọkọ ló ń make own streaming. DJ sef dey cash out. So don't give up. DJ is why? Because I'm money on your doing, and people are ready to pay millions for them to get them happy, because majority of them were depressed. And you understand? Mo lè assure yín pé tó bá ṣe pé ó yá kò sóun jẹ́ ìlú mọ́, everything dá o báyìí. Tó yẹn bá rí music tó play fún wọn nílé wọn, wọ́n ṣe máa jó. I'm telling you, for example, nígbà pandemic, nígbà lockdown yẹn, àwọn èèyàn ṣáṣì náà create app tẹ pé wọ́n ṣe party lórí app ẹ̀ because join ẹnu gbẹ wàṣíù ṣáṣì yín ó sì ń lọ. So music is live. Yeah. So don't give up. Say anything that deals with entertainment. People go máa lo agogo, go máa lo gángan. It's big now. I don't play gángan church for any Yankee. They pay him $300 just for 4 hours every Sunday. a bá ṣe 7 days program gbà mí àgbà tèrè. Doctor tó ní BSc tó ní master tó máa gba 300 naira within 4 hours yẹn òun náà mọ̀ òun lè lo fóònù ẹ̀ ní àṣìṣe. Okay, so and people are even getting paid more than that because of iṣẹ́ wọ and you don't even need to pay tax because mo sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ o. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń fẹ́ràn wa tẹ́ ń tì wá lẹ́yìn tẹ́ ń gbàdúrà fún wa tẹ́ ń fún wa lóúnjẹ tẹ́ ń fún wa iṣẹ́ tẹ́ ń stream orin wa tẹ́ ń share tẹ́ ń like ẹ̀ tẹ́ ń jó sí tiktokers everybody God bless you guys. Ojú ò ní tì yín o. Yeah, they should support wa. The little support you render goes a long way. Yeah. Àtàwọn tó sọ pé wọ́n like ẹ̀ at least tọ́tẹ̀ sí ti gbọ́ tí á dáa ẹ máa gbọ́ ẹ máa wọ̀ tó wá dọ́yọ̀kọ̀ ẹ máa like ẹ̀ so I love you guys man. Big up.